Hello and a very warm welcome to each one of you. And today we are diving into rule number 2 that talks about spreading happiness. Hmm. I would say this is a very beautiful and a heart centered rule. Spread happiness. Happiness rebounds on the giver. That means it focuses on compassion, empathy, and the ripple effect of happiness. Let us very quickly dive into the book and see for ourselves what does the author has to share on this. Let me share the screen. All right. Rule number 2, spread happiness. Happiness rebounds on the giver. जो जहां पर जिसको भी हैप्पीनेस देगा उसके पास वापस हैप्पीनेस आने वाली है. सो हम इसके अंदर कंजूसी नहीं करेंगे. ऑलराइट. सो this is chapter number 2, rule number 2, which says develop compassion for others. Love yourself enough. When you spread happiness, some of it sticks to you too. Have you seen जब आप किसी को साथ when you share some happiness, जब आप किसी और को आपकी वजह से कोई खुश होता है आप खुद भी खुश हो जाते हो. Have you seen that happening? This is exactly what happens when you give happiness to others, it sticks onto you as well. Byron has said, all who would win joy must share it. Happiness was born a twin. An average man is concerned essentially with himself, his family, and his work. At times, his work may come even before his family and his people, as it may concern him alone. One of the chief sources of our unhappiness is our inability to be interested in anyone or anything that does not directly or indirectly concern us. When we are absorbed essentially with the demands only of our lives and concerns, we are likely to become self seeking and insensitive. That is something very powerful that this author has said, Mridula Agrawal. Nothing can make a person happy if he cannot think beyond himself and his own affairs. आपने देखा है कई लोग ना they will be always busy talking about themselves, doing their own things. They have no concerns about whatever the world is doing. कई बार लोगों की सक्सेस देख के भी हमारे को खुशी मिलती है, कई बार लोगों की जॉयस देख के भी हमको खुशी मिलती है. एंड व्हेन वी क्लोज आवरसेल्व्स टू ओनली आवरसेल्व्स, इट इज बाउंड दैट वी stay in an unhappy mode. When we fail to recognize or care for people around us, it leads to unhappiness. That is, when we fail to recognize or care for people around us, it leads to happiness, frustration, and depression. Our mind gets no relief from the concerns, big or small, of our life and work. And this takes its toll on our mind's peace, mental peace. The constant demand and pressures of our life make us tense, irritable, and fatigued. We become demanding and domineering, angry and frustrated, stressed and depressed. We lose our sense of proportion and inner calm that is fundamental for our feeling of well-being and happiness. जब जब आप अपने आप को अपने तक दायरे में सीमित करोगे, तब तब यू विल सी दिस हैपनिंग. व्हाई? बिकॉज हमारी जिंदगी में हमारा काम तो सिर्फ हमारे काम करना है, हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज पूरी करना है, हमारे इतने सारे जो छोटे छोटे बड़े बड़े काम हैं वो करना है, हमारी कंसर्न्स को हटाना है. तो आपको लगता है कि अगर हम इसी में पड़े रहेंगे तो हम वी एवर गेट द लेजर ऑफ इंजॉइंग लाइफ? Think on that. Bertrand Russell has said, the secret of happiness is this: let your interest be as wide as possible, and let your reactions to the things and persons that interest you be as far as possible friendly rather than hostile. I'll repeat that. This is a very beautiful secret. The secret of happiness is let your interest be as wide as possible. and let your reactions to the things and persons that interest you be as far as possible friendly rather than hostile. Man is a social being. He has to interact and work with others for his everyday needs and his survival. If he is not in harmony with his fellow beings, he cannot feel happy with them, with himself and his surroundings. You cannot be in harmony with others unless you understand them, care for them, and feel for them. You can develop compassion for others. You find that you become more tolerant to their faults, and this tolerance helps you to become less demanding and domineering, which in turns make you more at peace with yourself and others too. समझ में आया? जब आप कंपैशन डेवलप करते हो फॉर अदर्स, आपको क्या मिलता है? यू बिकम मोर टॉलरेंट और लोगों के इंडिफरेंसेस पे, और लोगों के फॉल्ट्स पे, और लोगों की गलतियों पे। एंड जो आप टॉलरेशन आपकी बढ़ती है, उसकी वजह से आप लेस डिमांडिंग हो जाते हो, आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस कम हो जाती हैं, और उसकी वजह से क्या होता है? यू मेक पीस इन योर हार्ट एंड सोल। ठीक है? एंड ऑफ कोर्स जब आप किसी और से भी कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं रखोगे, तो यू विल ऑल्सो नॉट फील दैट वे, राइट? To be able to love people around you, care for them, and spread happiness, you have to love yourself first and be at peace with them. ये हमने हर जगह पढ़ लिया, हर जगह से समझ लिया, हमने इतनी सारी बुक्स पढ़ ली, एंड एवरीबडी हैज सेड फर्स्ट लव योरसेल्फ। यस, तो इसको ऐसे बोलते हैं FLY, फ्लाई। व्हाट इज फ्लाई? First love yourself. When you love yourself, when you are at peace within, it will be so much easier for you to love people around you, to care for them, and to spread happiness as well. You cannot give what you do not have. You cannot donate ₹1,000,000 if you do not have them. Similarly, if you do not have love for yourself and are not happy with your own self, then it is unlikely that you can give love and compassion to people you care for. Just imagine, can you love others when you do not love yourself and are dissatisfied and frustrated with your own being? It is said कि empty cup cannot fill other cups. जब तक जो आपके कप में है, आप वही स्पिल करने वाले हो। एंड अगर आपके कप में दुख है, खुशियां नहीं है, तो ऑब्वियसली यू आर गोइंग टू पुट दैट ऑन अदर्स एज वेल। एंड इफ यू आर हैप्पी, कंटेंट एंड दिस थिंग इनसाइड ऑफ यू, you are going to spread that outside as well. To be able to spread happiness, you have to be happy first. This in no way means that you have to be selfish about yourself and first seek to get what you want as the precondition for caring for others. It only means that you have to be satisfied with your life and have a healthy respect for self without the strain of self-denial or the burden of some unfulfilled desires. When you're happy with yourself, you automatically become more tolerant and likable person, more open to reasons, and more available to others. You become more generous and more patient, and are then able to contribute more towards the welfare of others. When we are happy inside, we seldom get irritated with things that would normally annoy us if we were unhappy. आपने देखा है कि एक ही सेम सिचुएशन, और ये मैं बहुत बार रिपीट करती हूँ, कि आपकी मदर इन लॉ के साथ आपकी लड़ाई हो गई है ना, उस दिन आपका बच्चा वही नॉर्मल चिक चिक पिक पिक कर रहा होगा और आप उसको थप्पड़ मार दोगे कि तू चुप क्यों नहीं होता। व्हाई? बिकॉज देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग दैट इज हैपनिंग इनसाइड ऑफ यू, एंड ऑन द नॉर्मल डेज दैट चिक चिक पिक पिक और वॉट एवर द चाइल्ड इज डूइंग डज नॉट बॉदर यू. You are happy and you are happily taking that chick chick pick pick of your child as well. In a happy state, we are also more likely to have patience with others, faults as well, and would feel happy making them happy if we could. Exactly. बच्चा अगर चिक चिक पिक पिक कर रहा है, आपको उसकी हर चीज में टॉलरेंस बढ़ जाएगी when you are happy inside. On the other hand, even normal everyday things can irritate us when we are unhappy. In an unhappy state, everything gets blown out of proportion, magnifying our concerns manifold. And this is why we need to be at peace with ourselves before we seek to make others happy. Happiness spreads happiness. Unhappiness spreads unhappiness. Both rebound on the giver and we get back what we give. This is the law of happiness, undeniable and unquestionable. True happiness renders men kind and sensible, and that happiness is always shared with others. Most of us like to be good to others, do nice things to them, and be of help. But we also want recognition and gratitude for our good deeds. We feel cheated when others do not recognize our thoughtful acts, and this robs us of our sense of satisfaction about having done good. It is human nature to want gratitude, and it is also human nature to forget to be grateful. And human nature, we all know, cannot be changed. It is in our interest not to expect gratitude from others so that we are not disturbed when we do not get it, but are happy if in rare case we do. ये समझ में आया? This is the biggest problem of us being unhappy. Why? Why? Because जब हम आप किसी के लिए कुछ अच्छा कर देते हैं, हम किसी की फेवर में कुछ कर देते हैं, हम कोई ऐसा काम कर देते हैं जो किसी को हेल्पफुल होता है, उसका काम बन जाता है, वी फील कि दिस पर्सन शुड कम एंड बी ग्रेटफुल टू मी. इसको हमारे को ग्रेटिट्यूड दिखाना चाहिए. दिस पर्सन शुड टेल मी थैंक यू बिकॉज ऑफ यू आई वाज एबल टू डू दिस. एंड इट इज एब्सोल्युटली ह्यूमन एंड इट इज एब्सोल्युटली ह्यूमन एज वेल कि हम भूल जाएं ग्रेटफुल होना. हमको भगवान ने कितना कुछ दिया एंड हाउ मच ग्रेटिट्यूड डू वी पे एवरी सिंगल डे. टेल मी. अगर हम भूल सकते हैं तो कोई इंसान इंसान के लिए नहीं भूल सकता क्या? हम भगवान ने हमारे को इतना कुछ दिया है टू बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर, एंड वी फॉरगेट इन द टाइम्स ऑफ केओस. वी आर ओनली आस्किंग गॉड कि वाई मी, वाई मी, वाई मी, मुझको ये क्यों नहीं दिया, मुझको ये क्यों नहीं दिया. And when somebody forgets to be grateful to you, just imagine what kind of a feeling that arises inside of you. Just like we can forget to be grateful, we should not expect others to be grateful towards us. And that is the only way you can retain happiness. Happiness of what? Happiness of you doing something good for somebody else. That is your thing. That was your choice. That was your satisfaction and contentment because of which this was giving you happiness. And the moment it turns into an expectation, you are bound to be unhappy. Dale Carnegie has said, if we want to find happiness, let us stop thinking about gratitude or ingratitude and give for the inner joy of giving. This is exactly what I said. कि हम अगर भूल जाएं कि हमारे को अगर खुश होना है, हम भूल जाएं कि ग्रैटिट्यूड या ग्रेटफुलनेस और अनग्रेटफुलनेस जो भी है वो नहीं हो रहा है, तो हमारे को ये याद रखना है कि वट एवर वी आर डूइंग आउट ऑफ आवर जॉय ऑफ गिविंग. सो देयर वॉज पॉइंट इन टाइम when I was cooking and I was feeling कि ये क्या यार हर रोज खाना बनाना पड़ता है. And the moment I realized it is the joy that I am giving and joy of giving to my kids, I started loving cooking back again. I was like, अच्छा बच्चों को ये पसंद है, आज यही बनाने वाली हूँ. Do you get that? So when you make peace with the fact that whatever you are giving to anybody, it is a choice that you have made, and that choice gives you the happiness, the contentment, the satisfaction. That is why you are giving it. Then expectation needs to be the least, minimal, or at last, not at all. When we look at for something in return for our thoughtful and kind act, it ceases to have its magical effects. It fails to make us happy. Looking for something in return gives a selfish motive to our actions, and selfish deeds can never produce पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स. अगर आप कुछ भी इसलिए कर रहे हो कि आपको बाद में एक फेवर चाहिए उस इंसान से, नो दैट इट इज अ सेल्फिश डीड. And selfish deed कभी भी पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स नहीं देती है. Do good without looking for anything in return, not even recognition of it from the receiver, and you will be amazed at the results. Wow. This is the kind of surrender, if we understand and we start having, we are going to have a beautiful life. Here, one may ask why we should do good to others when we get nothing in return. Why, when they do not even recognize our good deeds? क्वेश्चन आ रहा होगा ना आपके भी दिमाग में कि भाई अगर किसी ने रिकॉग्नाइज ही नहीं करना और मेरे को कुछ इन रिटर्न पॉजिटिव मिलना ही नहीं है तो मैं पूरा करूं ही क्यों. आफ्टर ऑल इट इज नॉट आवर ड्यूटी टू लुक आफ्टर अदर्स. व्हाई शुड वी केयर फॉर देम इन एनी वे. क्यों केयर करूं. मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थोड़ी ना है, मेरी ड्यूटी थोड़ी ना है. To this, let me tell you, dear reader, that the knowledge of having done a good deed without having got anything in return also gives a very nice feeling to the giver. It enhances his self respect and self worth in his very own eyes. And that is all that matters in the long run and goes a long way in bringing him both success and happiness. समझे क्यों करना है. When you do something without the expectation of getting anything back, आपको आपकी सेल्फ वर्थ इंक्रीज हो जाती है, आपको अपने लिए सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट क्रिएट हो जाती है. योर सेल्फ वर्थ इंक्रीजेस नाउ बिकॉज यू नो you have that grace in you, and that is going to bring success and happiness in your life. You cannot lie to yourself, you know. And when you have done good only for the sake of doing good, you know it yourself, and that is reward enough. It is satisfying in the very positive way, and no one can rob you of the satisfaction you get from it. Even if the receiver of your goodness does not acknowledge your kind act, as it often happens, or may even perceive you to be a smart, selfish person who is trying to be good for some invisible selfish motive, he will interpret your actions through his eyes and his own filters. It will not matter to you at all. It will only keep the receiver of your good deed from feeling happy, not you. जब आप देखते हो, कई बार होता है कि कोई इंसान आपको बोल देता है कि अच्छा तुम्हारा इसके अंदर क्या फायदा है, व्हाई आर यू डूइंग दिस फॉर मी. हैव यू हर्ड ऑफ दिस स्टोरी कि एक इंसान गिर रहा होता है, पडल में गिर जाता है, वो अंदर घुसता जा रहा है, घुसता जा रहा है, घुसता जा रहा है, एंड बेस्ट पर्सन इज सेइंग कि बचाओ बचाओ बचाओ, एंड द मोमेंट दिस मैन गोज टू पुल हिज हैंड अप टू गेट हिम आउट ऑफ द पडल, दिस मैन इज सेइंग नहीं नहीं तुम्हारे को मेरे से जरूर कुछ चाहिए होगा, यू डोंट हेल्प मी, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर गॉड टू हेल्प मी. एंड व्हेन क्या हुआ, डूब गया, गिर गया, मर गया. ना उसको खुशी हुई, ना सामने वाले को फिर सेटिस्फेक्शन हुई होगी कि चल मैं गया तो था इसको पूछने. इट इज ह्यूमन नेचर टू वॉन्ट, और जब जब ऐसा होता है यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट इज ओके. पीपल आर लाइक दैट, पीपल मे फील दैट. आप अपनी तरफ से प्योर रहो, आप अपनी तरफ से क्लीन रहो इन योर हार्ट एंड सोल, एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज सेड कि हमारा जो बर्तन है ना, हमारे को उसको साफ रखना है. There is a bowl in which we are going to receive all the grace from God. And that bowl needs to be clean for Him to give you something. And जब तक वो clean नहीं हो रहा है, every time you are expecting, every time you are getting irritated, frustrated with people around you, this is getting dirty. तो कब डालेंगे भगवान जी? थोड़ा तो साफ करके रखो so that He puts it in, puts some grace in it. खाना हम गंदे बर्तन में तो नहीं खाते ना. It is human nature to want to be praised for our thoughtful acts and um, least of all to be criticized for them. But doing good just for the sake of doing good also has a reward, its own reward. अच्छा ये तो मैंने पढ़ लिया था. Even though they often have been, चलो पढ़ ही लेते हैं फिर से, कोई बात नहीं. Your motive here is to help others, to contribute, to influence the lives of others in a positive way, to make them happy, to care for them. Recognition is not your aim here. When you do good, you know it, and that is the incentive enough for you. No one can rob you of the knowledge of the purity of your actions, and that is your reward. You do not need anything else. The inner sense of satisfaction is what has motivated good people all over the world to do good, even though they have very often been criticized or even punished for their good deeds. An act of goodness is of itself an act of happiness. No reward coming after the event can compare with the sweet reward that went with it. It is true that adverse public opinions has the power to make us unhappy, and we may feel miserable if we are criticized. All of us want to be well thought of and accepted by others. Negative public opinions for our right actions can make us unhappy for some time, but that will not be for long. Our satisfaction of being right will prevail in the end and bring us peace. The most delicate, the most sensible of all pleasures consists of promoting the pleasure of others. Let us also acknowledge the fact that there are some self serving people in the world who will want to take advantage of your goodness and use you to their benefit simply because you are a good person and they feel they can use you. होता है ना ये लाइफ में कि when you are too good, people want you to do some more good for them. They use you literally. कि चल भाई तू तो अच्छे काम करता है, and they know because you're a good person you might fall in for their traps as well. You need to write them off in the future. It is been going to be their loss, not yours. You will still have the satisfaction of having done the right thing to the first in the first place, and that is all that you should care about. उनको फायदा उठाना है, वो फायदा उठा रहे हैं ना, उठा लो भाई. कितना फायदा उठा लोगे, कितना फायदा उठा लोगे? इन द लॉन्ग टर्म दे विल फील गिल्टी बट यू विल बी वेरी सेटिस्फाइड कि भैया मैंने तो अपनी तरफ से अच्छा ही काम किया है. I still remember when my sister-in-law came back from hospital and she was okayish, and still, I was the one who was preparing the meals and everything. So my mom one day said, "हाँ ऐसे तो वो ठीक ही नहीं होगी. She will have to get up. She will have to try. She will have to, out of concern only," she said. But then I was like, and then after a while, when I was not agreeing to it, I was like, she told me, ऐसी ना आदत पड़ जाती है, शी विल स्टार्ट टेकिंग एडवांटेज ऑफ यू. एंड लाइक ले लेगी तो भी क्या कर लेगी, मैं तो खाना बना ही रही हूँ. इट नेवर इवन अकर्ड टू मी. नॉट दैट माई मॉम्स कंसर्न फॉर हर वॉज रॉन्ग, बट इट इज जस्ट टू शेयर विद यू कि अगर आप उस लाइन पे सोचना ही नहीं चाह रहे हो तो क्यों जबरदस्ती. तो यू विल बी वेरी हैप्पी एंड सेटिस्फाइड इन योर ओन बीइंग, थिंकिंग कि हाँ मैंने तो अच्छा ही किया है ना. कोई फायदा उठा रहा है तो वो उस पर्सन का आउटटेक है, उस पर्सन की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. आई एम नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एनीबडी एल्सेस टास्क एंड वट एवर दे आर डूइंग. If the recipient of your care did not deserve compassion from you and has lost you for future, it is his doing. He gets what he deserves. There will be times आप सब अच्छा कर दोगे and everything is good, and all of a sudden you see because of some problem something happens and you are not even in touch with that person. What is universe doing for you? There it is naturally removing that person from your life. फ्यूचर में कुछ करना ही नहीं पड़ेगा, एंड दैट पर्सन विल हैव दैट गिल्ट फॉर विद हिमसेल्फ मे बी फॉर द एंटायर लाइफ. उसकी cause of unhappiness हो गया, but your cause was always for happiness because you were serving. You were giving with all your heart. You had no wrong intentions. You were not expecting anything in return. He gets what he deserves. When trying to be good, focus on little things that matter. You need not make a big donation or start a big charity if you cannot afford it. Making life a little easier for someone in need can also go a long way when done with care. Helping an elderly or a blind person cross a road, taking care of your neighbor's child when they need help, writing out an application for someone who cannot write, sitting with the sick or the elderly when they need company, taking someone to hospital if he requires help, and the like can be great help to person in need and also give you a sense of satisfaction. Doing our wee bit, however small it may be, is all that is required to make our world a little more cheerful and happy for all of us. So it is like अगर आपके पास 1,000 rupees है, आप उसके अंदर से 1,000 rupees नहीं donate कर सकते हो. You need to understand that. You can donate only 100 rupees. 10% कहते हैं ना डोनेट करना चाहिए, उसमें से अगर 1,000 में से 700 कर दोगे तो ऑब्वियसली आप भी दुखी रहने वाले हो, बिकॉज यू विल नॉट नो हाउ टू डू द थिंग्स फॉर योर सेल्फ विद नो मनी, एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू बिल्ड अप फ्रस्ट्रेशन. उतना करो जितना आपके बस का है. डोंट ओवरलोड योर सेल्फ कि मेरे को तो सारी दुनिया को खुश करना है. यू कैन स्टार्ट विथ वेरी 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 स्मॉल थिंग्स. As Mother Teresa has said, we cannot do great things on this earth. We can only do small things with great love. वो लव मिसिंग नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट लव नीड्स टू बी देयर. जितना कर रहे हो प्यार से करो और उसके बाद मत करो. Rather than doing it with frustration, with anger, with this thing and that thing, leave it. Do it only with love. So that you are not expecting anything in return. जब आपको ग्रेटिट्यूड वापस नहीं मिल रहा, थैंकफुलनेस वापस नहीं मिल रही, यू आर नॉट सैड अबाउट इट बिकॉज यू आर हैप्पी. यू डिड इट बिकॉज यू वांटेड टू डू इट. इट वाज योर चॉइस, एंड दैट चॉइस वाज गिविंग यू द हैप्पीनेस. उतना करो जितने से आप खुश हो रहे हो करने करके, नॉट टू द एक्सटेंट कि भैया सामने वाला तो खुश हो ही रहा है, सामने वाला तो बहुत ही खुश है और आप अंदर से डिप्लीट हो गए हो. अगर कप में जितनी कॉफी है उससे ज्यादा देने की कोशिश करोगे तो कप भी टूट जाएगा, कप में से निकलेगी ही नहीं कॉफी. कैसे दोगे? तोड़ के थोड़ी ना निकालोगे. अगर किसी को कुछ देना है तो उतना ही दोगे ना जितना आपकी पॉकेट अलाउ करेगी, जितना आपकी एनर्जी अलाउ करेगी. A nice way to make a start is to try and understand other people around you and be patient with them. Reach out to people when they need help. Do whatever you can for them and see how it brings a feeling of satisfaction and worth that is both gratifying and fulfilling. Try to do at least one good deed a day and do not tell anyone about it. It will give you a new meaning, give a new meaning to your life. कहते हैं ना, दान भी करो तो एक हाथ से देते हो तो दूसरे हाथ को नहीं पता चलना चाहिए. Help people and you need not advertise about, कि मैंने तो ये किया है. But be happy for what you are able to do. Be grateful to Almighty that He gave you the sources to be able to give joy to someone. Men in the noblest disposition think themselves happiest when others share their happiness with them. Developing compassion for others involves a willingness to understand them without being judgmental. To try and understand what it must be like to be in their situation, to experience life the way they have felt it, to feel for them and love them, to be able to see them as innocent, not guilty. Very often we focus on other people's mistakes Shortcomings, comments, rudeness, selfishness, and meanness, either real or perceived, and feel frustrated with it. It is true that people do strange things. Most of us do. And they also do things that we do not like and should not put up with. But we should learn not to allow ourselves to be disturbed by their behavior. You should be less focused on other people's faults and be less disturbed by them. Okay. I think this was the part that I had decided that we are going to read today. But let's take your share, Madhulika. Good afternoon. I know you have joined quite late, but chalo. Jo Suna, what did you gauge?
Good afternoon, Karishma. I logged in the point when you were saying that if someone is taking care, it's taking your advantage, then let it be.
Hmm.
I, I was stuck at that point.
Mhm.
I could not move forward from that point. I'll be very,
I
I was
know,
stuck.
I know. That is something that concerns us. That does concern us.
No, see, we are talking about the person who is being whose advantage is being taken care it is being taken,
Hmm.
that you will be happy,
Hmm.
right? Then let it be, you just be happy that
Hmm.
fine, you could serve someone or you did some good deed or something else. But whenever this happens,
Hmm.
it is not because of happiness. I think it is unawareness. If I am aware, if I am well aware that this person is taking my advantage. So I'm not saying that don't do it, but at least I will confront that person. That do you really need this? Let's
Hmm.
see if you can try.
Hmm.
That can, and if I come to know that someone is taking my advantage, maybe being very nice to me on my face and then backbiting me, and then, it can never lead me happiness that fine, I did a good deed. No, I was dumb at that time. So I could not correlate whatever you were reading later on. I could not even hear that
Hmm.
because I was stuck with that. That how is it possible? Isn't it unawareness? One has to, one has to be smart enough. Yes,
Hmm.
of course, when you are happy, you tend to help others. किसी कोई फंस गया है, कोई गिर गया, आप फट से उठा दोगे। किसी को हाथ चाहिए, आप फट से कर दोगे। किसी को, आप जा रहे होगे, आप बहुत अच्छे मूड में हो, कोई जा रहा है तो आप पूछ लोगे आपको मेट्रो तक छोड़ दूं। जैसे हमारी सोसाइटी में ही है, बहुत सारे लोग, आंटीज
Hmm.
जाती हैं या कोई फ्रेंड जा रही होगी, कहाँ जा रही है, चला मैं ड्रॉप कर देती हूँ, रास्ते में ही पड़ेगा तो,
Hmm.
you know, so when you are happy, and it's a nature, when you are happy, आप पीछे पार्क में गए, आप वॉक कर रहे हो, आपको जो मिला, हेलो हाय कैसे हो,
Hmm.
दिख नहीं रहे थे बड़े दिन से, or maybe if you're not even talking, you're looking at the plants, you're looking at the flowers, you're smiling, you are, because you are happy.
We read about this as well. Obviously, this is the tendency. जब आप खुश हो तो आप सबकी हेल्प करोगे ही करोगे. And you will not even bother कि इससे मेरे को वापस थैंक यू भी बोला है कि नहीं, because you are
No,
happy.
yes, you're right. But that is your willingness. You did that
Yes.
out of your willingness. But if someone is taking advantage of yours, that doesn't mean that I cannot correlate with happiness. I can correlate it with the unawareness.
आपको मैं बताती हूँ. So when
Taking
you are
advantage.
happy,
Hmm.
so I will tell you with an example only. So when I was sharing कि मेरी मम्मी ने मेरे को ऐसे बोला, ठीक है ना? You were there at that time. So after 2 days, my sister-in-law herself asked me, करिश्मा मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं ना खाना खुद बनाना शुरू कर दूँ. And I was like, क्या हो गया? And then she said कि मुझे लगता है मैं बना लूंगी. तो आई टोल्ड हर अच्छा ठीक है, यू स्टार्ट विद द ब्रेकफास्ट. इफ यू फील दैट 1-2 दिन आप ब्रेकफास्ट आराम से बना रहे हो, यू आर नॉट फीलिंग डिजी एंड ऑल, देन यू कैन टेक ओवर द एंटायर किचन थिंग. What happens when you do with the pure heart, सामने वाला रिसीव्स इट, जो उनके घर दिल का गिल्ट होता है ना, वो उभर के आता है, एंड दे विल कम टू यू. देर आर सो मेनी टाइम्स व्हेन आई हैव बीन ओके एंड नाइस टू पीपल एंड दे कॉल मी बैक एंड टेल देम, यार आई एम सॉरी आई वाज रूड, एंड आई वाज लाइक सच्ची में मुझे तो पता भी नहीं चला. व्हेन एंड दे आर लाइक आई एम जस्ट सॉरी. आई वाज लाइक इट्स ओके, more power to you. आप अपने सच्चे दिल से करो. एंड ऑल्सो दिस नीड्स टू बी अंडरस्टूड कि जब आप खुश होगे तभी आप करोगे ना किसी के लिए अच्छा. आप दुखी हो जब व्हेन योर बाउल इज फुल ऑफ बिटर गॉड, और मतलब करेले के जूस से भरा है, तो आप किसी और को करेले का ही जूस दोगे ना, तो आप दे ही नहीं सकते हो ना खुशी. जब आप खुश होगे तभी आप किसी को खुशी दे सकते हो, एंड दैट टू, दैट इज अनकंडीशनल. वी हैव रेड इट इन दिस चैप्टर कि हम लोग क्या करते हैं जब हम किसी की हेल्प करते हैं, तो हमारा को फर्स्ट वो होता है कि यार एटलीस्ट थैंक यू तो बोल देती. बट वी डू नॉट नीड टू हैव दैट एक्सपेक्टेशन, बिकॉज वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर मेरे पास, आई गिव द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ 100 रुपीज, 1000 रुपीज, मेरे पास 1000 रुपीज है, तो दिस इज माई अवेयरनेस कि मेरे को उसमें से 100 ही रुपए दान करने हैं, 1000 में से 1000 नहीं देने हैं. When you give 1000, then you get frustrated and angry and irritated कि मैं अपना जीवन कैसे बिताऊं. And that is for the spreading happiness as well. आपके पास 100 का पूरा 100% हैप्पीनेस है, तो आप 10-20% दे भी दोगे तो इट वुड मैटर. बट यू व्हेन यू आर डिप्लीटिंग ऑन द हैप्पीनेस क्वेश्चन, तो हाउ कैन यू गिव टू अदर्स. दैट इज व्हेन किसको ही मेरा फायदा उठा रहा है, और उसका ये सब थॉट मेरा तभी आने वाला है जब मेरा खुद का बाउल 50% है और मैं 40% किसी को दे रही हूँ. जब मेरा 100% है, कोई फायदा भी उठा लेगा, क्या फायदा उठा लेगा यार, क्या कर लेगा, कितना ले लेगा. तब ये थॉट प्रोसेस आता है, अगर कोई आपको बोल भी दे आके, अदरवाइज याद भी नहीं होता, फायदा उठा रही मुझे कौन सा फर्क नहीं. दैट इज हाउ आई फील. Why? Because our happiness should not be dependent on the environment, on the people, what they are doing. My happiness should be my internal dialogue, my internal frequency, my internal satisfaction and contentment of doing something.
No, you're right at this part. Perfect. I agree on this part that we should not be sad.
Hmm.
After someone has done this to us, we should not be sad. Perfect.
Hmm.
But that cannot lead me towards happiness. I'm not saying that I will be sad, but that will lead me towards awareness, that one should be aware enough. I mean, I cannot take it if happiness, अगर ऑथर यहाँ पे इसको अवेयरनेस के साथ में हैप्पीनेस इज अवेयरनेस ऑल्सो, अगर उसके साथ में लिंक करता तो मैं थोड़ी ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल होती, बिकॉज क्योंकि हैप्पीनेस कैन नेवर बी, हाँ ये भी बोलते हैं लेकिन
इसे बोला है एक पॉइंट में,
इग्नोरेंस इज ब्लिस.
ignorance is bliss, but he has also said, she has also said कि किसी को खुश करना, एंड उसके अंदर आपको सेल्फ डिनायल मोड में नहीं जाना है. when they say you don't have to go into self denial, that means that be aware कि कितना दे सकते हो ना. अभी मैं तो मर जाऊंगी मिट जाऊंगी इसके लिए करती रहूंगी, इज नॉट पॉसिबल.
No, point is not this. मान लो I'm working in an office, okay, and I'm making some presentation. Every time whenever a presentation comes to someone else, and because she is a good friend of mine, she has a kid at home, she doesn't got time, she asks me and I do it willingly, and I do it like fine, okay, ठीक है ठीक है, मेरे को कोई ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मेरे को 10 मिनट लगते हैं, मैंने AI से बना देनी है, मैंने बना दी. When I come to know that she is partying, she has went to the party and I refuse to go to the party because I have to do the work, then this cannot lead me towards happiness, neither towards the sadness it should lead me. But yes, I should be aware enough. Then I'm not saying कि आप relation खराब करो या कुछ भी करो या कुछ मत कहो. No, then confront. I mean, then we can always talk. That come, let's sit. I'll teach you how to do this. Right? Or maybe from next time onwards, I will not do this. Setting boundaries also. So इट इज, आई मीन, मैं अगर वो ऑथर
मैं
उसको
जितना
ऐसे,
ये पढ़ रही हूँ ना, साथ साथ में सेटिंग बाउंड्रीज वाली बुक देखो, इट इज सच एन ऑटोमेटिक थिंग कि सेटिंग बाउंड्रीज में वो हमारे को अलग चीज सिखा रहा है फॉर फ्रॉम अदर पर्सपेक्टिव, एंड दिस वन इज टेलिंग अस फ्रॉम द अनदर पर्सपेक्टिव। तो दोनों को मर्ज करके सी वी हैव टू टेक द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ इट, जो हम इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं एटलीस्ट जस्ट टेक दैट पार्ट।
हाँ, तो वही मैं
वरना
आगे के में मैं बढ़ ही नहीं पाई क्योंकि मैं यहाँ स्टक हो गई, वो मैं कोरिलेट नहीं कर पाई इससे।
या आप, सो एवरीबडी हैज देयर ओन इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ एवरीथिंग। अभी मुझको ये समझ में आया डज नॉट मीन कि आई एम राइट। आपको जो समझ में आ रहा है दैट इज परफेक्ट फॉर योर ओन लाइफस्टाइल, योर ओन फ्रेंड्स, योर ओन दिस एनवायरमेंट
For
दैट यू
my
स्टे।
personal, I think my personality is like this only. That I mean, I'm not built up that type that I'll take it and keep it with me.
Hmm.
I'll not give it back to you, but then I'll not even keep it with me. I'll move forward.
Hmm.
Maybe, I mean, सी करिश्मा, बुक कितनी भी ऑथर ने जो भी लिखा हो, लेते हम अपने हिसाब से ही हैं।
ना, हमको क्या पता, अभी अभी हमने आगे
एंड
पढ़ा भी नहीं है, वी आर ऑलरेडी
see,
जजिंग।
it says you attract the same, level of the same aura people, the
Hmm.
same energy people. You attract those. That is how attraction works. Because the author, maybe author must be saying something. अब
Hmm.
मेरे को यही समझ में आ रहा है क्योंकि मेरी पर्सनालिटी ऐसी है।
और मे बी बहुत रिसेंटली कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ हो कि यू कैन रिलेट एग्जैक्टली टू दैट एंड यूर लाइक ओ अच्छा, नहीं नहीं ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है, ऐसा किया था उसने तो, एंड यू वोंट बी एबल टू पुट योर सेल्फ इन टू दैट शू ऑफ द ऑथर की नहीं, हाँ आई कैन लेट गो ऑफ इट या एंड आई कुड रिलेट विद इट बिकॉज अभी इंसिडेंटली ऐसा हुआ, एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन माय सिस्टर इन लॉ इज आल्सो टेलिंग मी द अदर डे और द नेक्स्ट डे कि करिश्मा एक काम करती हूँ, मैं खाना खुद बनाना शुरू करती हूँ, एंड आई एम लाइक हाउ विल यू डू इट, आपको उस दिन चाय बनाने में चक्कर आ गए थे, आप बताओ कैसे करने वाले हो। अच्छा एक काम करते हैं, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द ब्रेकफास्ट, ब्रेकफास्ट छोटा मील होता है तो आप ब्रेकफास्ट ट्राई करो, यू विल बी फाइन। And then all of after 3 days, she's like, I am fine, I'll do it. I'll ask the maid to chop the vegetables. I'll stand for lesser time in the kitchen and I'll manage. I'll ask her to do and make the chapatis. I was like, all right, fine. मेरी लाइफ में अगर किसी को भी लग रहा था कि मेरा एडवांटेज लिया जा रहा है फॉर दैट मैटर, इट इज ऑलरेडी गॉन। तो इट सीम्ड लाइक ट्रू टू मी कि हाँ मेरी लाइफ में से खत्म हो गया वो चैप्टर, कि ठीक है हो गया, मैंने करना था कर दिया, हो गया, एंड आई वाज हैप्पी डूइंग इट, इट्स ओके।
How is she now otherwise?
She's okay, she's absolutely fine.
She got this uterus removal, right?
Yeah, she got her uterus and ovaries removed.
Now she'll be having so many physical changes,
We'll
hot
see.
flashes.
Yes, that's what we read about on the internet and everywhere.
Yeah, no, people experience it. I mean, what's her age?
She is 47.
47 is no
नहीं
age.
नहीं नहीं, she's 50। हाँ अभी इस बार ही तो 50th बर्थडे था। Yes, she's 50.
Okay.
Chalo, the key points
Okay.
from today's read I will share that I got uh, out of this was कि happiness grows when it is shared. Selfishness and isolation जो होती है, it reduces happiness. Compassion is not a weakness. It is strength that will connect hearts.
Incoming voice call from Ryan.
ठीक है? And also, happiest people are those who make others happy. The law of life is what you get, what you give out emotionally, you will receive it back as well. What you give out, you get back. When you sow the seed of an orange, you do not get apples, you get oranges back. And kindness and understanding brings inner satisfaction and peace of mind. Are the 5 points that I want you to take forward from here. And I don't think इसके अंदर किसी हमारी कोई भी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स होंगे आइडियाज में, क्योंकि दीज आर वेरी क्या कहते हैं, न्यूट्रल एंड ग्लोबल थिंग्स, राइट? What do you think the author means by happiness rebounding on the giver? Is my question to you. And why do you think giving and empathy makes us feel lighter. This is something I would love for you to reflect on. And if you have something to share on that, please feel free to unmute yourself and share.
I'll think about that, Karishma. Just post this in the group, and I'll
ठीक है,
definitely think about it.
ठीक है. All right. On that note, take good care of yourself. We will continue this chapter tomorrow as well. And till then,
Karishma, can we make it one? I mean, like 1:15, 1? Is it okay with you?
it's okay. Absolutely fine with me.
Perfect.
ठीक है.
If it
We'll
is
have.
okay with you, otherwise, I mean, I'm good. वो 1:15 ना इधर रहता ना उधर होता, वो ध्यान ही नहीं रहता, 1:30 का दिमाग में रहता है, वो फिर पता लगता है ओहो 15 मिनट तो निकल गए मेरे.
So that is how you exercise your brain, वैसे.
हाँ ये भी है.
There is always.
तू करा ले मेरी एक्सरसाइज ब्रेन की.
Chalo. Take care. Have a
ठीक
beautiful
है.
day. God bless
Okay.
you and lots of
Bye-bye.
love.
Bye.
Bye bye.